Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is lamb stew. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, I've got a deep frying pan in here. We're gonna turn it on a high heat and add some oil. Now I've got 2 medium onions. We're gonna peel them and we're gonna cut them into chunks. Remember, before you do any recipes, please do make sure that you have got all the ingredients before. Another good tip, when you're gonna do any recipes, always read the full method, so that way you will familiarize yourself with the ingredients and the skills that the recipe needs. So now we're going to cut the onions into chunks and we're going to put them into this container. Now, I've got 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to peel them. We're not going to cut the garlic. We're going to leave them whole. And we're going to put them with the onions in the container. That's 3 cloves of garlic. Now, the oil should be hot. We're gonna add the meat gently. Then, this beautiful rosemary, some bay leaves, and some salt. So now, while we've got the lamb getting that nice brown color, we're going to continue with the recipe. I've got 4 medium carrots in here. We're going to give them a good wash under cold running water. We're not going to peel the carrots, just a good wash. Then we're going to take the top off the bottom and we're going to cut them into nice chunky pieces. We can stir the lamb in there. when it comes to calculate the portion control, always calculate between 180 grams and 200 grams per person. So this recipe is for 4 persons. So I've got about 800 grams of meat. We're going to put the carrots with the onion and garlic. For the cut of lamb, I'm using the neck of the lamb. You can use the shoulder and the leg of lamb as well. So now we're going to add the onion, garlic and carrot in there. We're going to mix it up nicely, and we're going to let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. At this stage, we have to make sure that we've got all the ingredients ready except the potatoes. So, I've got the tomato puree, the red wine, the chopped tomatoes, and the tomato juice ready to go. So while we are waiting for the vegetables and meat to cook a little bit together, we're gonna wash and cut the potatoes. Again, we're not going to peel the potatoes. We're going to give them a good wash under cold running water, a good scrub. Make sure it's washed very well, because we don't need that taste of soil in our beautiful stew. And we're going to cut the potato into chunk pieces like that, and put them into this container. We keep an eye on the meat and vegetables. Nice chunky pieces. We need that excuse me, lovely hearty stew. That's the potato ready. Now we stir the mix. Nice. We can add the tomato puree and mix. Everything together. The tomato puree here is going to give us that nice color, and it's going to give us that thick stew. Mix it together. When it comes to tomato puree, we have to make sure that we have to cook it as long as we can, because the longer we cook it, the more we reduce the acidity from the tomato puree. Nice. Now we can tidy up. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Now I've got glass of red wine in here. We need to reduce it by half. Inside, and we let it to reduce by half. There, mix it up together nicely. Beautiful. For ingredients, method, and recipes with pictures, please do log on our website, robnjays.com, or like us on our Facebook page, Rob and Jace. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, the wine reduced by half. We're gonna add the chopped tomatoes, we're gonna add the tomato juice and the potato. Gently. Then we top it up a little bit with water, just to rinse, and we do not throw nothing, like that. We're gonna mix it nicely together. Then we're gonna bring it to the boil. Boiling is when the water is bubbling from top. Then we're gonna reduce the heat and cover it, and we're gonna cook it for about 2 to 2.5 hours, simmering gently. And we let it simmer gently. After about 2 hours, we're gonna turn off the heat. We're gonna add the peas, then we're gonna mix it nicely together. And we can serve lamb stew. For more videos, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.